What's good? What's good? What's good, guys? What's good? What's good? What's good? How you guys doing? It's your boy It on the Go-Go. I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. How you guys doing today? You know, it's your boy. I do many different videos. Thank you for always watching my video, guys. You know, I'm so happy. You know, I'm almost to 600 subscribers. Shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. But you know, I'm showing you guys, and you know, if you're new to the channel, I do many different things, you know, sneakers, you know, I do this full time. Check out my videos. You're gonna see. And I'm pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? So if you're from New York City, let's link up. You heard? You heard? Yeah, so it's lit, it's lit. So I know you're looking at these games, right? And you're wondering, what is he doing? What are you about to do with these? So I'm about to do a repair on these games, on these game boxes. As you know, these game boxes is super fragile. You know what I'm saying? Like, it could easily get crushed, ripped up, you know? And I'm going to show you guys how to repair these game boxes. So, you know, these are the stuff that you would need. So I need to repair all of these game boxes. Some of them have sticker on it, all type of different things. So, you know, I'm going to show you guys how to repair and what you need, you know, the equipment, you know. So these are all the games that I'm going to repair. You know, the Spawn NES, I have to take off the sticker in the back. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that in this video. Take off the sticker. And then I have to take off the sticker off for this game. And, you know, yeah. And all of these boxes is pretty flattened, and some of them need to be perfect. And then I got this one right here, the Wario, you know, the Wario 4. Okay, boom. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at that. It's already damaged. And, you know, I got this for a great deal, you know, a great price. You know, I couldn't pass this up. I was like, I have to get it. It's Wario, you know, of course. It just, you know, it just had that little damage. And then this, the Tweety game, you know, pretty banged up a bit. But I'm about to bring this back to life, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. And so you can do it too, you know. And these game boxes, oh man, super rare, super creative, you know, and it's art, you know. It's really art. I love it. And it's history, you know. Back in the day, this is what we had, you know. Now we have PC, all type of different things now, and a whole bunch of different portable games. But back in the day, it wasn't that many portable games. But I love portable. Let's jump into it. So these are the stuff you need to repair your game boxes. I'm gonna show you the essential stuff right now. I'm gonna show you the essential things that you need. So first, you need like a printing, like this right here is great to rest the game, you know, the game boxes. And when you're, you know, I'm about to iron it. So if you have a presser or anything, you can use that, but I'm using an iron board. So I have the iron board right here. Then you need like a nice t-shirt or something, anything, you know, something that's white, that won't stain your game or anything, that won't damage your game. So you just have like a plain like white beater, white tee or whatever. Then you have this. I'm gonna try this glue out. It's super glue. Let's see if it's really good. You know, it's good for ceramic, leather, rubber, wood, etc. Let's see if it's really good. Let's see. And then, you know, you have the gloves, so just in case your hands won't get sticky with the glue, from the glue. Then you have the blow dryer, you know, to blow dry the sticker so the sticker could come off. And then you have your handy dandy iron. So now, let's jump into it now. Okay. This is about to be a movie, guys. So, let's do it. Okay. First, I'm going to do, let's do this SSX Tricky. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to, you know, take out everything out the box. Make sure there's nothing in the box, you know. And yeah, we're about to see what it can, you know, what I can do. And I'm going to use this to, like, you know, do it, you know, with the sticker and whatnot. But yeah, let's see. This is what I'm gonna use to peel off the sticker. So this is what I do, right? I use the blow dryer. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, guys, so let's try it. Let's see. So you use the blow dryer and you use it on the sticker, right? It weakens the sticker, you know, with the heat. I'm doing it for like, what, 20 seconds? And I turn it off. And let's see, let's get to peeling. Let's see. Let's see right now. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. See how it's peeling, guys? You see that? I want to show you guys. See how it's peeling off? Oh. See that? You just keep doing that. And then what you do now, you do this. And you do that to the sticker. You know, you weaken the sticker. And then you just keep peeling. You keep peeling right off, guys. And you see, guys? So now, look at it now. So now it's peeling off. So what you do now, you just do it slowly. You just do it slowly and voila! Back to brand new. It's lit. It's lit. My method is lit, guys. So you see, guys, this is how you do it. And you can use anything, guys. You can use, like, you know, this is what I use, you know. You can use this. Or even you can use this, something flat. Eevee, you can use this and just keep, you know, taking it off. Now I'm gonna use it to this. So the goal is to keep weakening the sticker. You weaken the sticker, right? Let's try it again. Perfect way. Let's try it again. And we're gonna do it to one more game. We're gonna do it to the SNES. But this is how you get off the sticker, guys. You take the sticker off just like that, guys. Just like that. You weaken it. The heat. Once when the heat is on the box, then it weakens the sticker. And it gets to peel off super easy. So let's see. Let's try it. You know. Let's see. So yeah. And then when you want to do it, you got to do this. Make sure you're holding it like this. So now you can do this. What's going on? Uh-oh. Oh, okay. And now what you do, guys, right? What you do now, you just heat it up. Heat it up. Make sure you don't heat your hands. Yeah, guys, make sure you don't heat your hands up. And let's see how we do. Let's see. You see, guys? So, now it's coming off. This sticker was, oh man, look at this. I really don't want to damage it, so you really got to go real slow. And if you want, you can continue to turn this on, right? Make it more weaker. Make sure you don't burn your hand, guys. And, you know, I just put it right here. Now let's see. You know, I just don't want to, you know. Oh, now the box is super hot. See how it's peeling off smoothly? Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. Oh, voila! Sticker off, guys. Sticker off. Nice. And then you know what I do too? Like, yeah, guys. Amazing. Sticker is off. Now from far. Look at it now. It look much better with it off, right? Look at it now. Look at it now. Even though it got that, you know, what you think, guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comment. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what your thoughts on this. Now, we did that part. I show y'all how to remove the sticker part. And now, let me show you guys how to. So yeah, guys, this game is gonna be up. Let's see. I'm gonna fix this game. So what you want to do now, right? So you have your iron board, you know. You have your GBA, you know. Yeah, you have your GBA, right? So what you want to do now, right? You do this, do that, you do that, right? You do that, then you do it in a certain way. So now I would do this, you know. Make it flat, right? Make it flat like this, like that, and you're about to see the magic. And you could do it like this too. Make it flat like that. Yep, flat just like that. Now you see, as you see, it's beat up. You know, it's beat up, creased up. I'm about to bring this back to life. Watch how I do it. This is my favorite Kirby game. You know, I love Kirby, so it's time to bring this back to life. It's, you know, let's see what I can do. So now you put it flat down, right? You put it face down, just like that. Then, what you do now, you put the t-shirt over it, you know? You put the chest. You put this on it. So now, let's see. So yeah, guys, you make sure the inside of it flat, you know? It's flat, you know, really flat. So now, this is how the magic starts. Watch this. So now it's on it. So you leave it there and then you... Now let's say you just leave it, right? As you see the heat. I don't know if you can see that, but you see it's getting flattened now. So all you do, you just, you know, move it a certain, you know, you just move it around in circular rotation, you know, circular rotation. You know, you just move it around and around and around. You see, guys? You see? I don't know if you can see the heat, though. You see the heat? Okay. Let's do it again. Yep. Let's do it again. So now it's heating up. So as it's heating up, you just leave it for like 5 seconds. No, like, I want to say 15 seconds, right? You leave it for, you know, make it heat up. And now, you just go around, moving it around. Make sure you have an old t-shirt, too. But, yeah. Perfect. It's looking good. Now, let's see now. Woo! Voila! Look how perfect. Look how flat it look, guys. Before you seen it. You see, that's flat right there. You see? Yeah. Looking back to brick. Looking good. Look. Even this is getting flattened. Now watch this. Woo! I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm happy. Even this. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Look at this. Look at that. You see how? Look at that. You see that, guys? Before, this was, you know, messed up. But now, look at it. Now, watch. Look at the method. The method. And then you just do this. You know, this is how you fix it. You know, wow. This Kirby game box was like beat up, smashed. It's like somebody sat on it. You know what I'm saying? But now I'm about to revive it. So you see how I revived the Tricky and all of that stuff? You see how I revived it, right? Ah. Whoa. Wow. Look at this. I don't know if you see the heat. Oh man, I'm just trying to show you the heat on it. So you see the heat, it makes it bends it back to place. You see how perfect, look. You see that? Before it wasn't like that. Look how, wow. Look at that. Look how flat it is. And now it's getting much better. It's looking much better. Look at the inside. Wow. Let's do it again. And after you do this, guys, like you could do this a couple times, and then what you would do, you would put heavy books on it, either books or water or, you know, this. I have this, you know, I could put this 10 weight on the game, you know, so it can stay flat. You know what I'm saying? So when it stays flat, it's heating up. As it heats up, right? Now I think it's really perfect now. Now what you do, you know, you just put something over it and then you just leave it for a couple seconds and then it'll be back in place. Hold on. Yeah, I gotta fix the inside of it. Let's see. Yeah, guys. So, look at the Kirby now. Whoa. Look at the Kirby now. Wow. That was a great fix right there. Yeah, the sticky glue works. You know, it definitely works. You know, and look at the Kirby now. Much better than before. Much better than before.